Hello everyone. So for the technology I chose for Tech Bite number one is digital annotations. And so our textbook has a section on this that starts on page 103 in at least the Kindle edition. And going forward, the first example that our reading gives us to demonstrate the function and purpose of digital annotation tools is Prism. However, Prism doesn't seem to be an active tool at the moment, so maybe it will come back online, but as of now, it looks like it's out as an option. So the next example our textbook gives us is Edji. And so Edji is a collaborative annotative tool that's used to facilitate reading and group discussion, wherein the students can make collaborative annotations and highlights within the discussion. And so what one does as the instructor is you, as the instructor, upload your content into Edji. So whether it's an image or text or a PDF, you can upload that and students can annotate that. And what the annotation looks like is similar to in this screenshot. So there's also multiple modalities for students to respond in. So there's emoji, there's text, there's voice lines. So that way one can tailor the assignment or allow for a diversity of types of responses. There's also this feature called heat mapping, wherein with students highlighting with students highlighting the same passage multiple times, it will change the color of the highlight. As we see in this screenshot with multiple students highlighting these darker passages. And and that is in order to show the classroom and the instructor kind of where the quote unquote heat of the discussion is. And that can become a discussion point in itself and also help guide and focus the discussion. So that's basically the services it provides and the function it provides. And so, as an example, in terms of how to set an assignment up, it's pretty easy. So this is my homepage after I created an account. And it seems, according to their website, teachers need an account, but students do not need an account in order to participate in the activities. And so if we go over here to new reading, that's where we can make an assignment, which I have some stuff to plug in from here, for example. It'll ask you for the title of the assignment. So in this case, an assignment sheet review for my course, public and private options, public of course, if my students are going to use it. It wants you to input grade and wants you to input a subject. And it wants you to input instructions, of course. And so once you have that in, you can insert your content, whether it's a image or PDF, or you can also add a question within the text. And so here we're just going to add a PDF. And you can upload your documents into here. I've already uploaded this PDF, so all I have to do is insert it. But if I weren't, then I'd go to browse and I'd upload the corresponding document. So this is already in here, so I'll just put insert these 7 pages of the assignment sheet that includes a model, and that will now go in where the reading content will be found. And so once you have that set up how you'd like, you go to preview, and then you can go to share. And so in order to create groups with Edji, it will give you different codes. So you can label whatever the group says, whatever you'd like. So the group one, let's say the 3 group members are Jan, Jenny, and Jamie. There's also advanced setting as well to further label those groups. So you'll create your group and it will give you a code, and this web link code you can give to that group in order for them to participate in the assignment. So you can just copy and paste it and send it to those that particular group. And you as an instructor can also participate within the discussion. As you can see, my cursor turns into an arrow in order to highlight or to add a comment. And you as an instructor also can have different modalities in which to reply: text, emoji, or voice again. You can also delete these. And if you click on this comment section, you can also review the comments within the document. And you can also reply to comments within that tab or by clicking on the comments itself. As you can see here, there's a reply button now that that comment has been written. And there's also a recap button, I believe, in order to assess the data of the usage of Edji in the context of this particular assignment. So that's basically what Edji is all about. I'll include a link in the PowerPoint that also has further tutorials on how to use Edji from their YouTube channel. And otherwise, thank you all for listening, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.